Come here, big boy.
Hey, boy. Big boy.
Come on, don't stop. Come, Nathan, so you can come. Oh my goodness, look who's crawling. Uh-huh. Come on. You gotta finish it. Come on. Ethan, you're funny.
You should do that when you go outside too. No, not that one to my baby.
Mister, how you stop to take a sucky break? You sucking on those fingers? Come on, you gotta finish your crawl first. There you go. Come back, Nathan. Come back some more so he can come to you. No, don't go in there. Come this way. Come. Come. There you go. Come on.
Here you go.
All right, Nathan.
Make it to my wrapper. So come this way. Up to my heart.